Greetings. This video is going to be a role play illustration of the phenomenon of classical conditioning. So what typically happens on day one is I make a noise, I make a sound, I bang a utensil with a spoon, and immediately after that, while my brother is who's an artist, he's doing his drawing. I immediately after that I go and scribble on his drawing. Now he does not expect he's not expecting me to scribble on his drawing right after I bang a plate. So there is no immediate reaction from him on day one because his brain is not conditioned to behave in that way. This is not a stimulus in which he responds by removing or moving his drawing book away. So this is what happens on day one. So on day two as well, since again this external stimulus has not been applied enough, so he is not used to expecting me scribbling his drawing every time I bang my plate and then go and scribble his drawing. It's just been 2 days, so he's not used to it. So he's again, every time I bang my plate, he's not expecting me to come and scribble on his drawing because it's just too early for his brain or to get conditioned to that external stimulus. So again, day two is not very different from day one. We move on to day three. So on day three as well, we are unable to extract any sort of behavior from my brother because it just hasn't been that long for his brain to get accustomed to the fact that every time I'm going to bang that plate, I will go and scribble on his drawing. So he's slowly starting to figure out the pattern, but still it's too early to extract any sort of behavior from him. So what I do is I continue this pattern of behavior for the next few days until I reach day 6, which basically means that for the first 5 days I have continuously been following this same pattern of behavior. I continuously go and whenever I bang a plate in front of him, I go and immediately scribble on his drawing. So by the time day 6 has arrived, he is used to the fact now that every time I'm going to bang my plate, I'm going to come and scribble on his drawing. So let's see his behavior on the 6th day. So as we see, on by the time day 6 has arrived, my brother is used to the fact that every time I'm going to bang my plate, I'm going to necessarily go and scribble on his drawing. So now this external stimulus of banging a plate has inculcated in my brother that apprehension that every time I'm going to bang that plate, I will definitely go and scribble on his drawing. So on day 6, since this behavior has been happening for the first 5 days and he's used to it now, he moves his drawing book away as soon as I make the sound, because his brain has been conditioned to expect me to go and scribble on his drawing book as soon as I bang that plate. So this was our role play illustration of classical conditioning.